The question over here is which of the following units is useful in relating concentration of solution with its vapor pressure. Now we need to talk about कि भाई इनमें से कौन सी यूनिट यूजफुल है, whether it will be mole fraction, parts per million, mass percentage or molality in relating the concentration of a solution with its vapor pressure. भाई यहाँ पर मैं आपको कहना चाहूँगी कि मोल फ्रैक्शन जो है it is useful in relating the vapor pressure विद कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ऑफ द सोल्यूशन. आप लोगों ने राउल्ट्स लॉ के बारे में तो पढ़ा होगा. सो व्हाट डज राउल्ट्स लॉ एक्चुअली टॉक अबाउट? राउल्ट्स लॉ क्या कहता है? सो राउल्ट्स लॉ हमें सिंपली एक बात बोलता है कि पार्शियल वेपर प्रेशर ऑफ ईच कॉम्पोनेंट, पार्शियल वेपर प्रेशर ऑफ ईच component, each component in the solution is directly proportional to its mole fraction, is directly proportional to its mole fraction. So it's basically pi directly proportional to chi I. Yes, and wherein this chi I is equals to n1 by n1 plus n2. So mole fraction is useful in relating the concentration of the solution with its vapor pressure basically. I hope you got my particular point over here, because partial vapor pressure of each component in the solution is directly proportional to the mole fraction. Mole fraction is basically equals to, if I just want to talk about the mole fraction of a component 1, so it will be n1 by n1 plus n2, and number of moles basically is pointing towards the concentration of the solution itself. Yes, concentration of the solution is basically the number of moles present in a volume of a solution basically. So that is the mole fraction we need to point out over here. Option number 1 is the right answer to the question.